from Maria Nice Designs. Thank you for joining me on my channel today. Please stay to the end because I'm going to announce the winners of Kathy Ratusin's clipboard with all of her notations and sayings, as well as the 2 bags. This is how it looks open, and that's how it looks closed. So that's a set. You will be seeing who the winner will be at the end of this video. So thank you so much for your time and for inviting me into your homes. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be using Artistry Sublimation ink in the black, as well as the Create and Inspire July kit created by Courtney Kreeber, which is also the creator of Handmade Happiness, which is a Facebook group. We'd love for you to join us. This is also a heart-shaped puzzle that is, you can sublimate on it. The material is a polyester type plastic, and I will have that listed in the below. Here I'm just showing you that I'm taking one of the Gina K blocks and I'm adding the Artistry Sublimation ink in black onto the sentiment, which I'm placing in the center of the heart. And what I'm using, actually the paper, is just basic copier paper, and the sublimation ink will go all around on the copier paper. And what you do is you take that piece and I'm going to apply it onto the puzzle, and you'll see that as I do it when it comes up next. Right now I'm just adding the beautiful florals and leaves that Courtney Kreeber created for her July kit for Create and Inspire. I highly recommend you checking it out. It's called createandinspire.com. We'd love for you to join us as a member. You get a 10% discount as well on all of her kits. And she does all of the drawings herself, and they're really pretty. I mean, everything she has done is absolutely gorgeous. There's July through November available, so that'd be great if you'd like to go ahead and check it out. Again, it's createandinspire.com. So here I'm basically just going all around the heart shape that I basically just kind of drew around the heart-shaped puzzle, and I'm just placing, I believe it's 3 of each of the flower designs that was in the kit, and then the center is the sentiment. That is the sublimation markers from Artistry, and that's just the black one, and I'm just going to fix a little area here that I had missed in stamping, and that'll actually transfer over as well because all of the markers are sublimation markers. And I just came upon these. I love to give new things a try, and I just thought, well, let's see how this works out. And I wanted to just make a really heartfelt, thankful, gratitude type of art piece. You can use it as, you could frame it and hang it on the wall. I just chose to leave it as a cutout puzzle. You could use it as a puzzle as well. So it's, multifaceted ways of using it. But here we go. I'm about to, once this is all fixed up, I'm going to take the sublimation markers. Here we go. They're the iron-on ink sublimation markers. I have Pastel, and I also have the primary ones as well, which I moved out of the way. I'm going to start with the Pastel colors. Basically, I'm just going to take one of each flower and show you how I colored it in. I'm trying to utilize them like Copic markers, but they just don't have that same, I guess, transparency like the Copic alcohol markers have. So really it's going to be more of a solid color. There won't be variations. I tried. I did use the deeper colored primary colors on the flowers as well, but it's not the same as Copics. Let's just put it that way. But in the end, I believe it turned out very pretty. So I hope you enjoy the coloring. Like I said, I'm going to go through and just take various colors. I will have them all listed as well in the description below. And I'm just going around, and like I said, I'm going to try to use the deeper colors along with the pastel colors to see if it does vary once it's transferred over onto the puzzle, because the sublimation color becomes more vibrant. Like right now it looks kind of dull and dark, but because the heart that I'm going to be ironing this copier paper art onto is a shinier surface, it will actually show a shinier color as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just basically going around showing you all the coloring. And like I said, I'm doing one flower at a time because, you know, just to save some time, and just so it's just the same anyway. So I've just figured do one flower at a time just to show you how I did it. And her flowers are just so pretty. They're just so lovely. I love the way they're just, I don't know, they're delicate. I love that the stems are delicate, and it's just so pretty. I really love the set, and I love Courtney's various sets that she's came out with so far. The more recent one is a snowman, and she just puts a whole lot of things into her kits, papers and product, and it's just awesome. In this kit, I didn't show what was in it, but I can, like I said, I will list all of the details below, as well as her website. And I just wanted to tell you how thankful I am for each one of you. I really am grateful for your patience. Here I'm just showing you the Artistry Protective. It's kind of like, it's not, it's more of a plastic coated paper so that it keeps the heat from the heat press from burning through. So here I'm just using some heat tape from Artistry as well. Again, I will have all the supplies listed below. And I did have some supplies listed on the screen like now. It's siliconized release paper. Here's the Cricut heat press. It's at 355 degrees for 120 seconds. Obviously, I didn't want you to sit through the entire process of 120 seconds. So through the magic of videotaping, voila, there it is. So you see how much more vibrant the colors are? Okay, so I had left this in because when you do transfer things, it should be backwards. So when I when I stamped it on the copier paper, it was the correct way around instead of in the reverse. So that's why I had to re-stamp the center. But there you go. So thank you so much for sticking with me to the end. These can be found at pearblossompress.com as well. Congratulations to the winner. Please contact me through Messenger within 2 weeks to claim your prize. Please know that I appreciate you, so please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share my videos, and hit the bell icon for my future uploads. Blessings to you all. Bye-bye.